guys, Seven Trade. So today we are on Sunday 23rd of November, and I wanted to share a trade recap on a trade which I took on Friday, and so far I'll tell you about my most recent progress on my trading journey. So far, most of the things are looking good, and from the trading perspective and my psychology and trade management. So the most recent light bulb moment which I have realized is that I didn't know that I can be aware of trade without setting break even and still not blow my account as much quick as I anticipated. So without further ado, let's go through the trade which I took on Friday and uh, tell you my thought process. So it was Euro USD trade. The whole week have been move towards the sell side. Let me go through it and share with you my thought process. So I want to go through a very quick top to down analysis. So my mouse is not working, I don't know why. So we're back. Starting to the 1 hour time frame, or maybe let's go to the daily time frame. You can see that on the daily we've been moving towards the sell side for the past whole week. Since Monday right here, we've been dumping and dumping and dumping. So I had no intentions for. So after seeing that we've been moving towards the sell side, which was initially against my high time frame bias, but we closed below this fair value gap which was created right here on Thursday. So I had no intention of continuing to try and worcester the prices from going lower. So I was looking for low prices still. So what ended up happening is that if we drop to the hourly time frame uh, during the AM New York session, you can see that. Let me clear a little bit clutter from this chart so that you can see clearly what was I looking for. So we came in the New York session and then we swept the previous day's high. Actually it was taken out during London session, which was the Thursday's high. The Thursday's high was taken out. This was the Thursday's high right here. It was taken out in the London at 2 a.m. The price started flipping bearish, and since Euro USD was the weakest one among Euro and GBP, I wanted to short Euro USD. So coming into the New York session, what I seen was we actually had the price sweeping out the 7 a.m. swept the London lows right here, as well as the previous day's low, which was this low right here. Let me put this line like right here. uh, I don't think that it's clear. So the previous day's high and the previous day's low were both taken. Actually, honestly, I didn't acknowledge that this was the previous day's low. During by the time I took this trade, I didn't notice that already the both Thursday's highs and lows were already taken. But once I seen the price during New York AM session sweep out the 7 AM high right here during 9, I mean 8, uh, and closed bearish, I was anticipating price to continue dumping from here onward, specifically towards this low right here which was created at 7, because we didn't have any reason to expect price to continue moving higher since we were in a higher time frame downtrend. So after seeing this candle closure during 8 a.m. on the 5-minute time frame, I dropped looking for change in state of delivery from bullish to bearish price action so that I could catch a momentum towards the sell side, which was the 7 a.m. low, which swept the London lows. So what I seen was I didn't see pretty much a lot of price action right here, because I immediately jumped to the low time frame. But what you can see is that I drew this box right here, this black box, during which was a price action in the 8 a.m. session. If we drop to the low time frame a little bit, it was a low which led to the sip of the 7 a.m. candle. So it was the last relevant low which was created into this fair value gap right here, which set up the last leg higher to the price retested this fair value gap and got up to sweep the 7 a.m. candle. So that is why this price action was important. So it was another block towards the buy side and a breaker block towards the sell side. So I anticipated the price during 9 a.m. to at least reach into it and display towards the sell side, but it didn't happen. But instead, the price just shot to the sell side immediately on the open of 9 a.m. right here on this candle, even though it's wicked to the buy side into that specific area right here. But I didn't want to catch the high right here because it was just too early in the AM session. I didn't want to enter inside of this price action right here, because had I wanted to try it, sure, I would have entered like shorted the moment that we closed below it, like right here on this candle right here with my stop above here and targeted to R, but it was just too early in the candle that I would be chasing price essentially, so I didn't want to do that. Instead, I waited for more price action to build up. uh, Actually, I trusted this high right here even though it didn't tap into a 5-minute fair value gap, uh, and then I got comfortable or entering on this candle right here at 9:15. Actually, after 9:15 plus 9:16, I entered with the stop loss above right here because there was a lot of spreads, like 4 pips of spreads, so I have to make a little bit larger stop loss to accommodate for this. So overall I was risking 7 pips, I guess, from here to here, yeah, 7.5 pips. But price as price on 9 a.m. gyrated towards the sell side, it at exactly 9:30, yeah, right here, price reversed towards my stop loss and made a new high, I guess, of 9 a.m. before. Yeah, you can see this was the first high of 9 a.m. Price tagged it and melted towards the sell side, which I was aiming at, which was this 7 a.m. low, and price ended the week. So that was what happened, and you couldn't see this in advance, but I encountered a moment of I tend to have different moments of doubting whether or not I shouldn't try the trade, which leads to unnecessary losses. But overall, this was a good trade which I could take over again. I couldn't enter early on right here because the price didn't give me much confirmations to go short off of. So I think that's it. And overall, let's refresh my accounts. It wasn't the best week because I was not in line of last no last 7 days. I wasn't. You can see that last 7 days it was just let's see, two winning and two losing days, and I made almost 2%. That's not that bad. Yeah, I think so. Overall, it was a good week, and hopefully next week will be even better. The other thing I realized was that I am not ever going to see my overall P&L while I'm in a trade, or because it interferes with my confidence in the trade, leading to more probability of sabotaging myself, which is one of the worst thing which I'm aiming to remove from my trading performance. Yeah, but you see, the whole week was moving lower and I constantly sold, and look how much of a difference it makes. Just I'm always trying to make my losers shorter than my winners. Yeah, this is risk management, and whoever tells you otherwise, I don't know. So I think that's it for now, and there is a new week coming, and hopefully you will be better. We will learn from our mistakes and get better at this craft. So 7 trades, you can join me. There is a link in the description, Ivan Trades channel, where I post all of my trades before and after, and what I'm constantly running on this journey. If you want to see what it is about, you can check out the link. So happy trading.